विद्यापीठ हे कुठल्या एका पर्टिक्युलर क्षेत्रापुरतं मर्यादित नसतं. विद्यापीठ किंवा युनिव्हर्सिटी या नावातच युनिव्हर्स हा शब्द आहे. जगभराच्या कानाकोपऱ्यातनं येणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना अतिशय उत्कृष्ट असं आणि काळानुरूप जे गरजेचं आहे असं शिक्षण देणं, याच भावनेतनं आपण MIT विश्वप्रयाग विद्यापीठाची स्थापना सोलापूर इथे केलेली आहे. द काइंड ऑफ ॲडव्हान्समेंट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी हॅज come up in today's age. I think it's only because the limitless capabilities of human brain and mind. It has to really help a child understand what he or she can do. I think education has to cater to that so that every individual realizes the potential and uses it for the betterment of the society. And that's how we at Vishwaprayag look at education, and we're trying to build the entire curriculum. Being a human, it's not just your needs, it's much beyond that. So I think education has a larger purpose, and that's how I think Vishwaprayag we are trying to create the ecosystem wherein the activities that we do on campus that will really help the children understand how they need to stay connected with the society, with the environment, of course with their family as well. It's not only about learning how to do the things or how to gain profits and how to grow financially. It is much more important how to grow spiritually. So we at Vishwaprayag, I think we strongly believe that there is a role for us to play by making sure that a child is more about how he stays connected with the family. आपण जेव्हा म्हणतो की एथिक्स किंवा मोरॅलिटी हे जे शब्द आपण वापरतो, प्रामाणिकपणा असेल किंवा बाकीच्या गोष्टी असतील, तर या आपण वर्गामध्ये किंवा पुस्तकातनं शिकवू शकत नाही. या आपल्या वागण्यातनं रिफ्लेक्ट व्हाव्या लागतात. सो मला असं वाटतं की प्रत्येक पालकांनी याची जर जाण ठेवली की आपल्या मुलाला आपल्याला याची जाणीव करून द्यायची आहे की तुला एक चांगला उत्कृष्ट नेता व्हायचं आहे किंवा उत्कृष्ट एक कारखानदार व्हायचं आहे, डॉक्टर व्हायचं आहे, इंजिनियर व्हायचं आहे, पण त्याच्यासोबतच तुला एक अतिशय सुजाण असा नागरिक व्हायचं आहे. द स्टुडंट हू कम टू MIT विश्वप्रयाग विल ऑलवेज स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, विथ द सोसायटी थ्रू डिफरंट प्रोजेक्ट्स, and that will help them understand how they can contribute back to the society through starting some kind of a industry, some business, some initiatives, through education or through multiple activities, and it will indirectly impact the growth of the nation, because we will be helping them connect with the society, understand the problems of the society, be a problem solver, come up with some opportunities that will enhance the economical area of this region. And I believe that people can come to Vishwaprayag and really explore the opportunity to understand the children, that it's not always necessary that you get detached from the family and do something bigger in life. At some point of time, every individual realizes that the family is the most important. So we will try to nurture this feeling at Vishwaprayag from the day they join Vishwaprayag, and once they learn, once they study, once they are ready to be in the professional world, they will already have this mindset that how they have to take the family along with them in this entire journey, and in a way that will create the harmonious society.